can see clearly now, the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Gone are the dark clouds that had me blind. It's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Dennis, and I'm going to be hosting this market analysis with for Pips Matter with Adam. I'm going to go over everything you need to know before you start trading today and this week. As you all know, this week is a really big week. It's as big as a dynamite. And today is that little filter burning. Tomorrow, the dynamite starts blowing up, and it will keep blowing up till Friday. The main thing that you will see today is the HIPC report from the Eurozone. Inflation figures are going to come out for October. They're out today. Market estimates are that inflation for October actually grew to 0.5%. This is mainly because the oil price continued to be higher. I'm going to go over a couple of small details for this week, and then Adam is going to tell you everything you need to know for this week. Last year, the Fed more or less pre-announced the 2015 December hike at its October meeting. Hence, we basically expect the market to read very carefully the statement from the FOMC meeting. So this is going to be essential. This meeting is very important because the market has pretty much priced in a rate hike in December. So what happens this week will be very important. The estimates for job growth in the USA around the market are around 170K. We will give our estimates on Friday like we always do. And do remember that we've been correct 100% so far for the NFP. And believe me, we plan to keep it this way. So every time the NFP comes over, the analysis becomes tougher and longer and harder to do. Okay, there is also the Chinese manufacturing PMIs and the US manufacturing PMIs. People around the market are looking for slight declines in both of those PMIs. Now I'm going to go over to Adam, and he's going to tell you everything else you need to know about this trading week. Like I said, my name is Dennis, and welcome to this analysis. Okay, so Adam's going to go over market overalls. I have Adam here with me. Good morning, Adam.
Good morning, Dennis. So, good morning, everyone. Today we look forward to a week with important events that could have a significant impact on the Euro-dollar cross with the FOMC meeting on Wednesday and important data releases on both sides of the Atlantic, including non-farm payroll data on Friday. While we expect unchanged interest rates on Wednesday, the most interesting part will be the FOMC statement. It's good to know that last year the Fed more or less pre-announced the December 2015 hike at the October meeting, but unlike last year, this time the markets have more or less priced in a Fed hike by year-end as much as possible at the current time, given that there is still 1.5 months until the December meeting. Euro-dollar bounced sharply on Friday, which is likely to reflect short covering on the back of increasingly heavy short position.
Very good, Adam. Thank you very much. We'll hear from Adam again when we speak about market analysis, technical analysis.
Great. Just one more thing before we continue, and this is the weekly possible market movers.
Okay, let's go.
In the US this week, we have a heavy calendar with the FOMC meeting, jobs report, and ISM figures. Due to the difference in dates for changing the clocks to winter time, US data is set to come out an hour earlier than normal. So, in the euro area, the main release is the HICP inflation figures for October, which is due today. In September, we saw an expected rise in inflation to 0.4% year-over-year from 0.2% year-over-year in August. In the UK, the main event next week is the Bank of England meeting on Thursday. This is one of the biggest meetings and also called Super Thursday, as we get the policy announcements, minutes, and updated inflation report, and Mark Carney hosts a press conference. In China, it's time for PMI again.
Okay, you know what I heard? I heard that for the Mark Carney speech, it is expected that he will actually say that he will continue being the chairman of the Bank of England in that meeting. Financial Times made a report, I read it yesterday, and it said that Mark Carney will most likely stay and remain as the chairman of the Bank of England.
So let's see what's going to happen.
Yep. Thanks, Adam. Let's go to the analysis, to the technical analysis. So let's go over the technical analysis on gold and DAX, and the rest will be added in our forums. So gold, we had a big breakout out of that triangle pattern just early last month, well, early this month. What we see now, we see price stagnating and then causing pretty strong movement and volatility towards the mid and end of the week. So anytime after Wednesday towards Friday, we see gold rocking and rolling pretty strongly. We see it heading a little bit down today, a little bit up later on in the day, and then from tomorrow and possibly Wednesday having much more volatility. We will release obviously a longer report in our forums. So if you do not have an account for that, it's free to open. Just simply go on pipsmatter.com and press register on the top right hand side corner. Let's move over to DAX right now. DAX is an interesting scenario. If you look at price since May 2000, somewhere from March, May 2015, there's been a very strong resistance level, and that's a trend channel, let's say, resistance level sideways. You can see it on your screen right now. This is a very strong indication that the DAX will crash pretty soon. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, maybe not this week, but definitely sometime November we will see DAX. Well, we believe DAX will go down to 9,000 something first, 9974 area, and later on down to 94 area. So as you see, we do believe there's going to be pretty strong movement. We've shown you this on the FTSE as well, on the S&P 500. We believe, and we have very good reasons to believe, that there is a market crash coming. We've shown you technical patterns, we've explained to you fundamental patterns. Your choice to decide what happens. Thank you for watching this session. We wish you all the very best, and see you in our forums and in other videos. Like this video, subscribe to our forum, and even share it to your friends, family, and everyone else. Thank you. Goodbye now.